Hello students, good morning to everyone, and I once again welcome to you in the today's science class. I want to talk you totally in the Hindi language today. आपको पता है कल हमने लॉन्ग आंसर 1 और 2 कंप्लीट कर लिया था और आज अब हम कंप्लीट कर रहे हैं अपना लॉन्ग आंसर नंबर 3। क्वेश्चन के बारे में हम बात कर रहे हैं। You will look in your book. We do not write on the board. क्वेश्चन है आपका, describe in details the production of silk. This is our question. So write the answer with us. First, that is the production of silk. Production of silk. The silk fiber is obtained from the cocoons by killing the insect inside it. The insect inside it. Next number, that is cooking. The process in which a large number of cocoons are boiled is called cooking. Next number, that is reeling. What is reeling? Try to understand. The sticky substance of cocoons of the cocoons dissolve in hot water. And fiber separate out. Fibers separate out. Next number, including in this point, the fiber from 4 to 8 cocoons, from 8 to sorry for it, from 4 to 8 cocoons are joined and twisted to produce silk yarn. To produce silk yarn. This is raw silk. This is raw silk. Look sir, this is our answer is complete here. Our question is, describe in details production of silk. First number our heading, that is production of silk, in which something written in this sheet. The silk fiber is obtained from the cocoons by killing insect inside it. Second one, cooking. The process in which a large number of cocoons are boiled is called cooking. मतलब प्रोडक्शन ऑफ सिल्क समझ में आ गया. फर्स्ट नंबर, सिल्क फाइबर कहाँ से मिलेगा? बाय किलिंग द cocoons ऑफ द इंसेक्ट. उसके बाद क्या करना पड़ेगा? कुकिंग. उसमें क्या होगा? जो प्रोसेस होता है उसमें बहुत सारे cocoons को बॉइल्ड वाटर के अंदर रखा जाता है, तब जाकर के वो फाइबर लूज होता है. नेक्स्ट नंबर देखो आप, रीलिंग. द स्टिकी सब्सटेंस ऑफ द cocoons dissolve in hot water and fiber separate out. मतलब रीलिंग प्रोसेस में क्या होगा? जैसे आप हॉट वाटर में cocoons को डालेंगे तो सिल्क फाइबर के अलावा जो स्टिकी सब्सटेंस है वो मेल्ट हो जाएगा, डिसॉल्व हो जाएगा और फाइबर उसमें से निकल जाएगा. और फिर कम से कम 4 और मैक्सिमम 8 cocoons के फाइबर को आपस में ज्वाइन करके ट्विस्टेड किया जाता है, तब जाकर के सिल्क यार्न बनता है और इसी को बोलते हैं हम रॉ सिल्क. दिस इज योर लॉन्ग आंसर. थर्ड इज कंप्लीट हियर. नाउ वी आर गोइंग टू स्टार्ट आवर नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 4. I remove this answer now. Before it, we read one question. Last fourth number, enumerate a few health hazards associated with sericulture and the wool industry. Yes. Now look, sir. Answer number 4. Answer number 4. Look, sir. Yes, sir. Now answer is in this way. In woolen industry, workers are engaged infected by bacteria anthrax. By bacteria anthrax, which causes deadly disease of blood deadly disease of blood known as which causes deadly disease of blood known as Shorter's disease, which is known as Shorter's disease. Okay, this is about the what? Woolen industry. Now next something more remaining. In sericulture industry, the workers are generally affected. Workers are generally affected by respiratory disease, by respiratory diseases such as asthma and bronchitis. Asthma, bronchitis. This is asthma and bronchitis. Now one more thing is here. Yes, other bad effects are other health hazards of sericulture are other health hazards of sericulture are, in which number first is that is headache. Headache. Second number, eye problems. Third number, neck pain. Fourth number, low back pain. Low back pain. Fifth number, fever. Sixth number, body ache. So these are the other bad effect of the sericulture industries workers. Now once again we will observe this one. Please look. According to the question, in woolen industry, workers are infected by bacteria anthrax. Anthrax is actually the name of a bacteria which causes deadly disease of blood known as Shorter's disease. ओके, ये तो हो गया आपका वूलन इंडस्ट्री का. आगे सुनो. इन सेरीकल्चर इंडस्ट्री the workers are generally affected by respiratory disease such as asthma and bronchitis. Okay. Now one more thing, other health hazards of sericulture industry are headache, eye problem, neck pain, low back pain, fever, body ache, etc. Okay, this is the end of our long answer meter. It is complete today. Thank you very much. We will meet now in the next video. Thank you very much.